Hey guys! So today we're here sa Novali, Cavite and I finally tried Mimi K Deli by Charm. Kung love mo ng Korean food pero ayaw mong gumastos ng bongga, this is the spot. Tara! Pagpasok mo pa lang, ang bango na. It's located sa Ayala Mall, Solana 3 and the place feels so cozy and aesthetic. Not too crowded, not too noisy. Perfect for your next chill food trip or date spot. So here's what I ordered. Beef bulgogi, cheese gimbap, and buldak ramen. Guys, legit combo! My beef bulgogi rice meal comes with free iced coffee and soup. Honestly guys, I'm not even a coffee fan, pero grabe, I enjoyed this one. Super refreshing. It also comes with kimchi, marble potatoes, and fish cake. Sulit na, di ba? Grabe, ang tender ng beef. Tapos yung sauce, sweet, savory, and lasang authentic. The side dishes balance everything perfectly. The gimbap was cheesy and flavorful. And the ramen had just the right amount of spice to wake up your taste buds. Parang Korean comfort meal na complete with all the goodness, and for the price, super sulit. Friendly din yung staff and the service is fast. So, if you're craving Korean food na masarap, affordable, and cozy, you have to visit Mimi K Deli by Charm here in Novali. Promise, it's a small place with big flavor. Speaking of big, I literally had to unbutton and unzip my trousers. Kasi sobrang busog ko guys. Priorities. Ayan. Busog na busog siya. Anyways guys, don't forget to like, follow, and share this video for more food and lifestyle finds. Cause your next craving might just be my next vlog. See you next time! Annyeong!